How to track attendance in Google Meet. First of all, open Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Extensions, and then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Google Meet Attendance Tracker. Now click on the extension you prefer, then click Add to Chrome and select Add Extension to install it. Once installed, you will see the extension icon in the top right corner of your browser. Now, go to Google Meet and start or join a meeting. Then click on Track Attendance. As soon as you click it, the extension will start recording all participants automatically and continue tracking until the meeting ends. When your class or meeting is finished, click on the extension icon again and stop the tracking. Now you will be able to see the attendance report. You can view the report directly or download it in different formats, such as PDF file, CSV file, Excel format. That's how you can easily track attendance in Google Meet using an extension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.